going to form after August 8th. So no one has been left out in this exercise. Having said that, I also want to thank my other colleagues for standing with us during this very difficult time. Now, we have with us here two very prominent politicians who have chosen to formally join our movement, that is NASA and ODM, going forward. One of them is none other than Honorable Koigi Wamwere, the former Member of Parliament for Nakuru North, whom, as you know, has also been, in politics for a very long time. Me and Koigi have a history. We have been detained several times by the previous regime of our stand on change in this country. So Koigi has decided to team up with us in this phase as we move on towards these general elections. We have here Kirugi Mtumukindia, who, as you know, is been a member of parliament, has been a member of the cabinet for a long time. He comes from Meru Central, Meru Central. So Imenti Central, sorry. So we are together here. I wanted to introduce them so that you know that they have formally joined the movement.